Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tanner here, and today we're going to be exploring the thermal energy involved in a acid-base chemical reaction. So this cup on the right is filled with a baking soda solution. That's why we have baking soda over here. And as you can see from the temperature reading, it's at about 73 degrees, 72.8, 72.7, somewhere in there degrees Fahrenheit. The cup on the left is a citric acid solution, and its temperature is 72.3 degrees. So they're within 1 degree Fahrenheit of one another. Now, baking soda, when dissolved into water, forms a basic solution. It's a base. It has an alkaline pH, or a pH above 7 on a scale. And the citric acid is an acidic solution. It would have a pH balance below 7 on the acid-base scale. So when you combine an acid and a base, that is a chemical reaction, and that'll become evident here. It'll start to bubble when we combine these. But what we're interested in is the thermal energy, so how the temperature will change during this chemical reaction, so we can learn if it's an exothermic reaction where it gives heat off to the environment, or if it's an endothermic reaction where it brings heat in from the environment, so the environment would lose heat energy. So we're going to add the baking soda solution to the citric acid solution. You'll see some bubbling, and we will quickly get a temperature reading. Again, they were about 72.5 degrees Fahrenheit to start with. So now the chemical reaction has occurred, and we quickly get a reading, and it is down to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. It just dropped 2 degrees Fahrenheit in temperature. Now remember, I'm not measuring the actual thermal energy inside those bonds. I'm measuring a atmospheric, essentially. I'm giving off the energy that now is radiating. So it is now radiating off less thermal energy than it was before. And if we mix a little bit more to encourage some more reaction, get another temperature reading, it's now down to 66.9 degrees Fahrenheit. So it has dropped even further. So every time that chemical reaction occurs, the environment is losing heat energy. So that can help you decide if this is an exothermic or an endothermic reaction. And as always, thanks for watching.